Today we're making medieval swag. Let's start with some strings. Shift drag to copy this. Let's add some more strings. Let's layer that with some pizzicato. Pizzicato. We're going medieval, so you have to have the harpsichord. Let's make a lead. I'm going to use this flute. Trying to go for a medieval tavern sort of vibe. Just add a little note here. I'm going to automate the pitch. You right click, create automation clip. I'm going to bring it up on this one note to have a little pitch bend. Just duplicated the pattern. I'm going to switch up the ending a bit. For the B section, I just copied the flute pattern to a harp and switched it up a little bit. I'm going to use Alt-R to randomize the velocity to make it sound a bit more natural. I'm going to layer the end of the pattern with this synth. Going to add a couple stabs. Let's use Co-Producer to build it up a bit. Let's record it in. Let's try find a banjo maybe. That's the one. Let's just chop this up. Go for a fiddle. Yes, 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 yes. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I want to hit 10 billion subs by next month. Don't make me do it. Hit subscribe. Go on. Let's add a battle cry. Let's not add a battle cry. Time to cook up the drums. Let's find the snare. Let's just shorten it a bit. I'm going to copy this snare and shorten it a little bit. Just add some bounce. I want the snare to be like a group tavern sort of. Let's layer this shit. So the snare, layer a clap, some Foley, and a crowd clap. Get a counter snare. Just shorten it. Time for the shakers. Just turn the volume down on this one to add a bit of bounce. Get another shaker. Just going to pan it to the left a little bit. Let's add some effects. Got to have both of these glass smashers. This gunshot. This triangle. Tambourine. And this strike perk. This sword sound. Add some delay to the gunshot. Get a bass. Layer it with this sub. I resampled it. I don't know why, but I did. Fade it in a little bit. Layer it with this stump. Add some transition effects. This group chant to nail the tavern vibe. For the verse, I'm using this lute sample. And this flute. Add some stomps. I made this bridge section. I added a timpan for the intro. We're done with the beat, but if you want to try Code Producer to find samples that fit your music, make sure you check out the link below for a 7-day free trial and 50% off your first month.